dol-58 is a robust weather sensor that measures wind direction, wind speed, air pressure, and air temperature. The weather sensor comes with a connection box, 16 feet, and a 98-foot cable for connection between the box and the sensor, and a mounting bracket for the sensor. To achieve the best possible readings from the weather sensor, it is important that the sensor has an unrestricted view on all sides. Be careful that rooftops, chimneys, trees, etc. do not block this unrestricted view to the weather sensor. The weather sensor should be mounted on a mast with the accompanying bracket at a minimum of 1.5 meters above the ridge of the roof. Please follow all of the instructions in the technical user guide, which is found on www.dol-sensors.com. Learn more at www.dol-sensors.com.